Good morning, guys. This is James Guy tutorial. On this class, I'll be teaching you guys on how to solve inverse of a Laplace transforms. Now, how this example one says that determine the inverse of transforms of the following expression. Now, have this question. Number one says 3x plus 4 all over x squared plus 9. Now, solution to solve this question. If you look at this question, there's two functions here, which is what this the sine and cosine function. Now, for you to get the sine function, you have to make x solve a formula, and also for you to get the cosine function, you have to make x to stand on its own. That means this 3 has to leave this x plus 4. Okay. Now therefore that becoming what? Now Laplace inverse of 3 bracket x plus 4 all over x squared plus 9, because I want to find the cosine function now, which is I have to separate this x plus 4 plus 3. I have to separate this 3 from x. Okay. Now plus now if I want to find the sine function, I have to make a solve formula. So that becomes divide all through by 3. That all through by 3. Now that becomes x plus 4 over 3 all over x squared plus 9. And then after doing that, what do you do? Now the Laplace inverse of this, the Laplace inverse of it is always in the form of what? X over x squared plus what? Plus a squared. Now that becomes what? X, the whole of everything here is a what? Is a cosine function. So that becomes where a is the what? Is the square root of what? Of 9. So that becomes what? Cos 3 what? T. Now remember that is being multiplied by 3. That becomes 3 times cos 3 t. So that becomes 3 cos 3 t. Now again for this one as well, first find the Laplace inverse of x plus x over x plus 9. So that becomes, it's always in the form of what? A over x squared plus a squared. So where a is the square root of 9, right? So therefore that becoming what? So therefore that becomes what? This 4 over 3, because a here is what? Is 4 over 3. Okay. So that becomes 4 over 3 sine what? 3 what? T. So therefore if you add up everything here, so remember, if you add up everything here, so that becomes what? 3 cos 3t plus 4 over 3 sine 3t. Since this plus this, so what do you do? The answer for this is what? Is 3 cos 3t, and the answer for this is 4 over 3 sine 3t. Okay. So that becomes the answer for this is what? Is 3 cos 3t plus what? 4 over what? Plus 4 over 3 sine 3t. Okay. Now that is the answer. Now I have number 2. Number 2 question goes like this. You have to do find the Laplace inverse. So this L raised power minus 1 is called Laplace inverse. So find the Laplace inverse of 5x plus 1 all over x squared minus x minus 12. Now how to do this solution? To solve this, what do you do? First factorize the word, the denominator. So that becomes, if you factorize this denominator, that becomes, the factor will become x minus 4 and x plus 3. So that means I have to attach this at the down number. That is the denominator. So that becomes what? 5x plus 1 all over x minus 4 bracket x plus 3. Okay. Now then, after doing that, what do you do next? Since it's now using your polynomial, use the polynomial to solve. So that becoming what? You have 5x plus 1 all over x minus 4 bracket x plus 3 is represented in polynomial form as a over x minus 4 plus b over x plus 3. Now solution: to find a, put x minus 4 to equals to 0. So that becomes what? X minus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore x is 4. Now therefore to find a is equals to 5x plus 1. You take the expression of what? Of b, which is x plus 3, not expression of a. You understand? So therefore putting x to be what? To be 4. So that becomes 5 bracket 4 plus 1 all over x is 4 plus 3. So that becomes what? 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 all over 4 plus 3 is 7, equals to, so 21 divided by 7 is to give you what? 3. Now therefore to find b, put x plus 3 is equals to what? 0. Okay. So that becomes x plus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore x is minus 3. So that becomes b is equals to what? 5x plus 1. You take the word expression for what? A, which is x minus 4, not the expression of b, which is x plus 3. So therefore putting x to be what? Minus 3 here. So that becomes 5 bracket minus 3 plus 1 all over x is minus 3 minus 4. So So that becomes 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. Minus 15 plus 1 will give you what? Minus 14. All over minus 3 minus 4 will give you what? Minus 7. So therefore minus cancel on minus is what? Is plus. Okay. Now 14 divided by 7 is what? Is 2. Right? So therefore B is 2 and A is 3. So since B is 2 and A is 3, therefore putting the values of A and B in the equation, in this equation. Okay, so now where A is 3 plus B is what? Is 2. Okay, so now therefore that becomes what? And after doing that, I have to finding the inverse Laplace of this expression, the whole expression will become what? Laplace inverse of 3 over x minus 4 plus Laplace inverse of 2 over x plus 3. So therefore I have to do it each of this fraction. Then now therefore the Laplace inverse of 3 over x minus 4 is always in the form of 1 over x minus a, which is equals to what? E raised to 1 minus 80, where a is what? Is 4. Okay, now therefore that becomes what? Okay, therefore that becoming what? E raised to minus 40, since a is minus 4. Okay, so that becomes e raised to what? 4 t. You understand? So after doing the what next, so you always know that this 3 is being multiplied to it. If you remove this 3 here and put it outside, it's same thing as times. So that becomes 3 times e raised to 40 is same thing as well. 3 e raised to 40. Now also I have to find the Laplace inverse of 2 over x plus 3, which is what? Which is always in the form of, now same thing, that is these two moving outside becomes 2 over 1 of x plus 3, which is always in the form of 1 over x minus a, which is also in the form of e raised to minus 80. Okay, which is equals to 2 bracket e raised to minus, where a is what? 3, then t. Okay, so that becomes 2 times it to give you 2 e raised to minus 3t. Now after doing that, what's our final answer? Now therefore my final answer is what? Remember is what? Remember is this plus this. So therefore my answer for this is what? My answer for this is this. Now plus my answer for this is this. Okay, that is the word final answer, which is what I which is what I which is what I I would say. Okay, this is the final answer. Now therefore moving to number 3 question. Now number 3 question says that find a Laplace transform of x squared minus 9x minus 7 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 bracket x minus 1. Now so how to do this? How to first do what? Represent this in a word, in a polynomial form. So that becomes x squared minus 9a minus 7 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 bracket x minus 1, which is equals to what? A over a x minus x minus 1 plus this. Since this function is in a quadratic form, so that becomes bs plus c all over x plus 2x plus 2. Okay, now what do you do? You have to do what? If you can multiply this, so that becomes this over this is equals to what? This a times whole of this will give you what? This plus this times the whole of this will give you this all over this. Okay, so therefore after doing that, what do you do? This will cancel out what? This, that is gone. So remaining what? X squared minus 9x minus 7 which is equals to what? A multiply the whole of this will give you what? Ax squared plus 2as plus what? 2a. Okay, now plus this multiply the whole of this will give you what? Bx squared plus xc minus bx minus c. Now therefore what do you do? Comparing the both expression. Now by comparing the both expression, we see that now taking x squared, if you take x squared, that is a plus b. If you take x, that becomes what? 2a plus c minus b. This is x. Check the number that has x, that is 2a x, and 2a plus c x minus b. That is exactly what I got here. If you take, now I'm taking the real number, which is what? The one that has no x. I have it at 2a and what? Minus c. Okay, now therefore you know that a plus b is same thing as what? X is same thing as 1. So a plus b is same thing as 1 for equation 1. And here 2a plus c minus b is equals to what? Since it is taking is x, that is minus what? 9, called equation 2. And also what do you do? And also I have that 2a minus what? Here 2a minus c is equals to what? The real number, which is minus what? 7. Call this equation what? 3. So after doing that, what do you do now? I'll say from equation 1, I have to make what? I have to make a solid formula. So from equation 1, a is equals to what? A is equal to 1 minus b. I call this equation 4. Now therefore put equation 4 in equation what? 2. Now it means that any place you see a in equation 2, put it 1 minus b. So if you check here, this is equation 2, right? So I see a, I put it 1 minus b. So here that become what? So that become 2 bracket 1 minus b plus c is equal to minus 9. So therefore, what do you do? 2 times this will give you 2. 2 times minus b is minus 2b. Then minus b plus c is equal to minus 9. Now therefore, what is next? C, this minus 2b minus b will give you minus 3b. So that becomes c minus 3b is equal to minus 7. These two move on, become minus 2. Therefore, c minus 3b is equal to minus 11. Now, c is equal to, I have to make c some formula. So, c is equal to what? Minus 11 plus 3b. Now, I call this equation 5. So, after doing that, what do you do? Put equation 5 in equation what? In equation 3. So, this is my equation 3, right? This is my equation 3. So, in equation 3, any place I see c, I put this what? Minus 11 plus 3b. So that becomes 2a minus that minus 11 plus 3b is equals what? Minus 7. So therefore that becomes what? 2a minus times minus will give you what? Plus 11. Minus 7 plus 3b will give you what? Minus 3b, which is equal to minus 7. So after doing the what's next? After 2a minus 3b is equals to what? Minus 7. This move will become minus 11. Now that becomes 2a minus 3b is equal to minus what? 18. So that becomes what? 2a is equals to what? Minus 18. I have to make a sort formula. So divide all through by coefficient of a, which is all through by 2. This moving over become plus 3b, all through by what? 2. So therefore a is equals to minus 18 plus 3b over 2. Calling this equation what? 6. Now therefore put equation 6 in equation 4. So this is my equation 4, right? So I have to put a, any place I see a in equation 4, I put this what? Minus 18 plus 3b over 2. Okay, so therefore that becomes what? I have here minus 18 plus 3b over 2 is equal to what? 1 minus what? B. So what do? I have to cross multiply. So if I should cross multiply this now, that becomes what? I have this times this will give you this equal to this times this, which is what I got here. So therefore that becomes what? So therefore that becomes minus 18 plus 3b is equal to what? 2 bracket 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times minus b give you minus 2b. Okay, so that becomes what? Now I have to collect like times 3b. This minus 2b cross over becomes plus 2b is equal to what? 2. This minus 18 plus over become plus 18. So therefore that becomes therefore that becomes what? I have here 3b plus 2b give you what? 5b, and 2 plus 18 give you what? 20. Okay, so therefore divide all through by coefficient of b, which is all through by 5 and all through by 5. Therefore b is 4. Now put b equals to 4 in equation what? 4. This is my equation 4, right? So I have to put b equals to 4. So I become a is equals to 1 minus b, which is 1 minus 4, which will give you what? Minus 3. Now again, put b equals to 4 in equation what? 5. And my equation 5 is minus 11 plus 3b. Okay, so that becomes what? Minus 11 plus, where b is what? Where b is 4. So that equals minus 11 plus 3 times 4 is 12. Now minus 11 plus 2 will give you what? 1. Therefore a is minus 3. Okay, b is what? Is 4, and c is 1. So after doing that, what do you do? Put the values of a and b in the expression, in that expression. That is in this our expression. That is in this our initial expression. This our expression. Okay, so therefore that becoming what? So I have to put the values of a, b, c in this expression. So where a is minus 3, so where a is minus, that becomes minus 3 over x minus 1. Now plus b is what? B is 4x, that becomes 4x plus c is 1 all over x squared plus a plus 2. So then what do you do now? Determine the inverse Laplace transform of this expression. So therefore for me to determine the Laplace inverse of this now, and you know that the Laplace inverse of this is always in the form of 1 over x minus a, which is equals what? E raised to minus 8, right? So where a is what? Minus 1, so that becomes e raised to minus will give you e raised to t. I also know that this is minus 3. So minus 3 will multiply this 80. So that becomes what? Minus 3 times, that becomes minus 3. That's 80 will give you equals what? Minus 380. Okay, so that will give you what? Minus 380. You know, that will give you minus 380. So after doing that, what do you do now? So if you check this now, I have to find the Laplace transforms of this. So which is it now? The Laplace transform of this same thing as what? Now I have to make this x to stand alone. That is 4 bracket. I have to remove this 4 from it by bracketing it. So I become 4 bracket x plus 1. Now check. I have to in some of this kind of thing. Some of this kind of thing as a trick. Just differentiate the down number. So if you change the down number, equate it to be what? 0. So if I should differentiate it, that becomes 2x plus 2. That 2x plus is equals to 0. Okay. Now therefore 2x equals minus 2. Now x divided by coefficient of x, all through by 2 and all through by 2. Okay. Now therefore x is equals to minus 1. So if x is equal to minus 1, now for me, if I want to form this in form of an equation, that becomes x plus 1. So that is exactly what I did here. So that becomes what? So that becomes x plus 1 all square plus, now x plus 1 all square. Now check check a number that if you square one and add it with a number, it will give you what? These two. Okay, so 1 squared is what? Is 1. 1 plus 1 will give you what? 2. This one is balanced. Now and always know that anything down must go up. So that becomes this x plus 1 will also go, so that is x plus 1. Okay, so now check a number that if you multiply 4 by 1, subtract it, it will give you what? This one. So that becomes 4 times 1 is what? Is 4. Okay, now 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 minus 3 will give you what? So this one. So therefore this thing now is, so therefore this thing is something as what? is something as what? This all over this minus, that is minus 3 over this. So that becomes 4 over x plus 1 all over the down number, that the denominator, minus 3. That is, this 3 has minus already, that becomes minus 3 over this. Now minus what again? Minus what again? Minus what? Minus this, because this is 3 now. This is no minus 3 over x minus 1. Okay, so therefore now what do you do now? If you check this thing now, finding the inverse Laplace of transform of this. Okay, this minus 3 over x minus 1 is this thing we got here, is this stuff, this a, you understand? So therefore what do you do now? Now finding the inverse Laplace of this transform. Okay, find the inverse Laplace of this. You know that this alone is what? Is cosine function. You know, since there is x, since that x at since x occurs in the up number, that is in the numerator. You understand? Always know that is what? Is a cosine function. If x occurs in the on the numerator, always know that is a cosine function. So that becomes what? No. So this now, the Laplace inverse of this is always in the form of x over x squared plus a squared times e raised to minus 80. Okay, where x over x squared plus a squared is what? Is cos alone, is cosine function alone. So where a is what? Square root of 1. Square root of 1 is what? 1. That's the same thing as cos t times e raised to minus a is what? A is what? You understand? A is what? Is 1 minus 1 minus t. So that becomes e raised to minus t. Now therefore if you multiply this now, this becomes e raised to minus t cos t, which is equal to 4 times e raised to minus t cos t. So which is give you what? 4a raised to minus t cos t. Now also for this, if I want to find the Laplace inverse of minus this over this. So the Laplace inverse of minus 3 over x plus 1 all square plus 1 is in the function of what? A over x squared plus a squared times e raised to minus 80. So you know that this alone, whenever an up number, that will call a numerator. You know, so whenever your up number has no x, you understand, just know that that function is simply as well. That function is simply as well a sine function. You understand? So therefore that becomes what? So therefore that becomes everything alone here is sine. So now a is square root of 1. Square root of 1 is what? Is something like 1. That is sine t times e raised to a is 1 minus that minus e t minus e raised to minus t, which is equal to what? Which is equal to what? E raised to minus t sine t. Now remember always know that this is being multiplied by minus 3. This is minus 3 now. So I go minus 3 times this will give you what? Minus 3e minus t raised to sine t. Okay, so therefore after doing that, I have to find the what? Laplace transform of this, and the Laplace transform of this is always in the form of 1 over x minus a, which is equal to e raised to minus 80, which is equal to e raised to minus bracket where a is minus 1. So that becomes e raised to minus will give what? T. And also know that this minus 3 is being multiplied by it. So I become minus 3 times e raised to power t will give you what? Minus 380. You understand? So this question is very, very simple. So after doing that, what do you do? I have to combine my whole answers. So which is what? This, the answer for this is what? Is this, right? Now minus, the answer for this is this, minus, that is the answer for this, which is exactly what I did here. Okay, this is the final answer. Please guys, if you find this video interesting and helpful, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.